How to enter a gift card on Grubhub app. So first of all, make sure that you are signed in to your Grubhub account. From here, go to Account at the bottom right. Now from here, you'll see gift cards. Tap on it. Now you could simply buy a gift card or tap on Redeem a gift card. So for now, I'm going to select Redeem a gift card. Now over here, if you have a physical gift card with you, make sure you enter 17 characters gift card code over here. Or if you have a digital gift card, you can enter the code over here as well. Then, after you have entered the code in this field, all you would have to do is add to my account. And with that, you would be able to add a gift card to your Grubhub account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.